friends, it's good to see you. Today we're going to look at day 7 of science. We're going to start with the reading, so please take out your science packet and turn to day 7. We're going to start by looking at our vocabulary. First, listen and repeat the words. Crash, to pull, scatter, to burn up. Next, we're going to talk about the words. First, look at the words and the pictures and see if you can guess the meaning. Guess, adivinar. See if you can guess the meaning. Pause the video and continue when you're ready. Okay, nice job. Now we're going to talk about the words. Crash is when two objects bump into each other in a very strong way. Chocar. The car crashed into another object and now it's broken. What two objects are crashing together in this picture? This picture shows an asteroid and a planet crashing together. Let's look at the next word. To pull. To pull means to bring something toward you. Jalar. What are the children pulling? The children are pulling on the rope. Our next word is scatter. Scatter is when many small things spread out. Desperdigarse. Scatter. Here, if I drop a bunch of papers on the floor, they're going to scatter, like in this picture. Here, little pieces of the asteroid are scattering. Our last word is to burn up. This is when a fire burns and then after there is no more. The wood is burning up. When the fire is finished, there will not be more wood. To burn up means quemar, hasta que no hay nada más. Okay, now we're going to practice the words with hand gestures. Please listen, then repeat the word and the gesture with your hands. Are you ready? Crash, to pull, scatter, burn up. Let's practice again. Crash, to pull, scatter, to burn up. Good job. Please pause the video and practice the words on your own. When you're ready, continue the video. Great, did you practice your words? Now we're going to look at the reading. Please find the reading on your paper. First, we are going to look for our vocabulary. I will do the first one. I see the vocabulary word pulled, so I'm going to highlight it. Please highlight the word pulled on your paper. Now, pause the video and find your other vocabulary words in the text. When you're finished, you can restart the video. Por favor, da pausa al video y busque las otras palabras de vocabulario en el texto. Cuando terminas, puedes seguir con el video. Great! Did you find all your words? Okay, now we're going to look for other words that we already know. Vamos a buscar otras palabras que ya sabemos. I know the word planet, so I'm going to highlight planet. Yo sé la palabra planet, así que voy a subrayar planet. Now you look for the words that you know. Please pause the video. Ahora tú puedes buscar las palabras en el texto que tú sabes. Después puedes seguir con el video. Awesome! You know a lot of words. Now we're going to read the text together. Please listen and follow with your finger while I read. Asteroids in space can get pulled into a planet's orbit. Then asteroids may crash into each other. Here, look at the picture. The asteroids are crashing into each other. Okay, now let's continue. Find the word when. Point to it with your finger. Are you ready? When they crash. When I see the word when, this tells me this might be a cause and effect sentence. When tells me that I'm looking at the cause. So when they crash, this is the cause. When the asteroids crash, what is the effect? Where will I find the effect in this sentence? The effect comes after the comma. Let's read the effect. The cause is when asteroids crash. What's the effect? The effect. Asteroids break. Ooh, we know break. We learned break yesterday. What does it mean? Romper. And scatter into pieces. So what is the effect? Look, the effect, the asteroids break into little pieces and scatter. These pieces, what pieces? These ones, these. These pieces are called meteors. Can you repeat? Meteors. Good. The little pieces of the asteroid are meteors. Okay, now we're going to read the second paragraph. Point to the word flashes of light. These are flashes of light. A flash is quick. Flashes of light in the night sky are meteors burning up in Earth's atmosphere. If they do not totally burn up, they may fall to Earth. Here's meteors burning up when they arrive in Earth's atmosphere. Okay, we're going to continue. Point to these. These space rocks, the ones that fall to Earth, are then called meteorites. Okay, now we're going to practice reading the paragraphs. Please read the first paragraph out loud with me. Por favor, lea el primer párrafo en voz alta conmigo. Asteroids in space can get pulled into a planet's orbit. Then asteroids may crash into each other. When they crash, asteroids break and scatter into pieces. These pieces are called meteors. Okay, now please pause the video and read it aloud on your own. Ahora, por favor, da pausa al video y lea este primer párrafo en voz alta. Great job practicing reading. Now we're going to read the next paragraph together. Read with me. Por favor, lea conmigo. Flashes of light in the night sky are meteors burning up in Earth's atmosphere. If they do not totally burn up, they may fall to Earth. These space rocks are then called meteorites. Now please pause the video and read it out loud on your own. Ahora por favor da pausa al video y lee el texto. We're going to look at day 7 activities. So please turn in your packet to day 7 activities. We're going to do an example together. Part 1. What happens, ¿qué pasa? What happens when asteroids crash? Find causes and effects in the reading. So let's look back at our reading. Look for a cause and effect sentence about when asteroids crash. Ooh, I know cause and effect sentences can sometimes start with when. When they crash, this is the cause. What's the effect? Asteroids break and scatter into pieces. To write down the cause and effect now. I'll write the cause and then you write the effect. What's the cause? Asteroids crash. Go ahead and write it on your paper. Now please pause the video and write the effect in the sentence. Good job. Okay, here for part 2, the question is, what other cause and effect relationships do you see in the text? So please look back at the reading and find more cause and effect, causa y efecto, relationships in the text. Ahora, por favor, da pausa al video y busque otras relaciones de causa y efecto en el texto. Okay, now I'm going to use my notes to write cause and effect sentences. Use the sentence frames. These are to help me. Look at these. When. What do I put after when? The cause or the effect? After when, I put the cause. And then I put the effect. What separates the cause and the effect? A comma. Good. How about this one? As a result of, what do I put here? You're right, the cause. What do I put after the comma? The effect. How about this one? Where do I put the cause and where do I put the effect? The cause goes here and the effect goes here. Okay, we're going to practice now. We're going to write our own sentences. I'm going to write about the one that I put here. So I'm going to use a when sentence. You can use any sentence. Voy a usar este. Puedes escoger lo que quieres usar. When, what's the cause that we put? Asteroids crash. What do I put after the cause? A comma. And now I need to put the effect. So please copy my cause and finish the sentence with the effect. After that, try to write 1 or 2 more sentences. Por favor, ahora vas a terminar mi oración con el efecto que has encontrado en el texto y después intenta escribir 1 o 2 oraciones más. You can send me a picture of your work so I can check. Have a great day. Stay healthy and safe, and don't forget to have fun. Bye-bye.